come here alone? You come here alone?
Alone for 5 days.
No, alone? One only? One person only?
One person, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Nobody with you? Your mother, your father, your boyfriend? No?
No.
Wow.
I just travel alone. I try to travel alone for first time.
And then your parents allowed you to go alone?
No. So it's very like
Yeah.
a little bit difficult, but I think it's a challenge for me.
Yeah. Take care yourself.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, if anything, you have a trouble or want to ask something, you can ask me. You can take my number. Do you have a WhatsApp?
Oh, okay.
You have WhatsApp?
Yeah, I have WhatsApp.
You can take my number. If you have an emergency, you need some help, you can WhatsApp me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Because you don't have friend here.
Yeah, I don't have friend here.
You are very brave.
Yeah, very brave.
Yeah. Take the picture. My number. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
And sir, what's your name?
My name, I think difficult for you to speak
Pronounce.
Pronounce my name. My name is Azli. Azli. Yeah. Yeah, Azli. Azli.
Yeah, it's a bit difficult.
But my friend called me this one, Papa Lee.
Papa Lee. Oh.
Yeah. This is my Facebook.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. This after this, you bring a raincoat.
What's
Raincoat. What you call when the raining time, you have a raining coat. Raincoat. The raincoat.
The running
Raincoat. Coat.
hood.
Coat. COT. Yeah, wait. Rain COAT. Raincoat.
Oh.
Because
Raincoat.
this season is raining season. I think when you go to watch the race, I think it's raining. You stand by the buy a cheap one. Like this. The cheap one. Like this.
Yeah, I have.
Right.
I have already prepared the raincoat from
here.
Taiwan.
Oh, you bring?
Yeah, I bring it here.
Good. Because now it's raining season in Malaysia.
Oh, rain season. Yeah, here.
Okay.
Thank you.
Take care yourself.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye.
Nothing left?
This is me.
Okay.
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 Alright.
Bye bye.
Bye.